Okay, so I don't know about you, but I hate when, you know, you can just slide your bolt in and out of a supposed to be threaded hole. So what I have gone and done is I ordered up a cheap helicoil, like I think it's a knockoff helicoil setup. It comes with 25 inserts. They're stainless too. So hopefully, and it comes with the drill bit, the tap, and then these other tools. I don't know. I don't ever use a helicoil before. So we're gonna find out how the hell you use these. Well, basically, what I'm going to do is, this one needs to be helicoiled, this one needs to be helicoiled, and I believe this one needs to be helicoiled. So I might do them all. We'll see how well these work. One thing I did notice with this one is it is correct, but it's not correct all the way down to the bottom, so we're still going to send it. I went ahead and bought some studs. I'm actually going to do studs instead of bolts. I think maybe that might help, or it'll make a bigger pain in my ass. Either way, that's what I plan on doing. So let's do this. So first step is I just drilled this out, being careful not to drill all the way through because that would be a damn shame. And yeah, so now next we'll probably tap it, and then I think you just put the coil in and we'll figure that out. Okay, so it didn't come with the handle, but I already had that. You could use a wrench, you just gotta be careful it goes in straight. I'm using WD-40 to keep it lubed up. So what you're gonna wanna do is pretty much do like 2 turns in and then 1 turn back, and just kind of repeat that until you're down far enough. So it's went ahead and it's all threaded now. So now we're gonna go ahead and figure out how the helicoil system works. I think I figured it out. So this guy has like a little keyway, and then that's got a little key in there. So when you're putting this in, you're just pretty much getting her to go in, and then once you're getting it down so far, you put this guy in there and you snap off the bottom, because if you look at the bottom of a helicoil, if I can get my hands to operate, and of course I throw it on the ground and lose it, nice. So yeah, right there you see that little indent there at the top right there, that will just basically snap off. So you want to be careful when you're putting this in, because you don't want to snap that off halfway in. That'd be a damn shame. But yeah, so basically, yeah, just make sure your threads are all clean and all that, and then so yeah, we'll just go ahead and put this bad boy in. And then the real question is, I don't know how far you go down. Maybe you can put multiple of these coils in. Not sure. But I'll probably try, because why not? So I think we're pretty far down in there, and then you're going to go ahead and just push this guy down in there, and I need better, but basically you're going to snap it off. What I ended up doing was put it in, and then I tried to do that, didn't work. So what I did was start going the opposite way, and that seemed to snap it right off. So put it down in, and then you should be able to back out, and then it should snap right off. All right, now let's see if this actually works. Okay, so as soon as I went to drill this, it broke off. But so what I did was I tapped it up this way, but I'm trying to put it down this way. But this is really cool. You can actually see how it works. So it's basically like a giant spring, and it just fills in where the threads would be, and then obviously it creates threads. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, you can see. So like there's where the end is, and it just kind of follows in the grooves. So that's actually pretty cool. So what I'm probably going to do is I'll have this go down to the bottom, and then I'll snap it off, and then I will probably put the stud in, and then we'll eventually JB weld the missing piece here back on. So that's the plan, but that's pretty cool. And then if you look, so like I turned it right, and then that kind of like folded it up, like you kind of just, I guess, twist it back and forth, and that'll snap it right off. There it is, done. I'm out of focus. All right, it's on there. So all we gotta do is just JB weld that thing, and we'll be good to go. It works pretty good. This one, it kind of is at an angle because it's just that little bit, but hopefully it won't be she wants to JB with all that on. But yeah, otherwise that's it. That's how you use helicoil. Too easy, and these things are actually pretty freaking sweet. So yeah, all you gotta do is drill it out, tap it, and then you put this guy, the break off tap faces down, and then you do use like this, and you stick it down in there, and you hit it with like a hammer or something. If it is like on the bottom, like if it's way down there and there's a bottom on it, don't put the helicoil all the way down, otherwise you won't be able to break off that piece, which is not, I don't know if that'd be bad or not, but basically you can't. So yeah, set it down about halfway and then snap her off, good to go. Yeah, and then you kind of just shake it out. Hopefully, I don't know how you would get it out if you couldn't like flip it over, so that may be something you have to kind of figure out. I mean, these are stainless, so you can't use a magnet. But yeah, other than that, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.